welcome to my channel Life at Germany with me Vino. In today's video we are going to see the different types of visas available in order to come to Germany. There are two different categories of visa in order to visit Germany. One is short-term visa and the other one is long-term visa. We can see about these two visa types. Short-term visa is also called as Schengen visa. This kind of visa is valid for 90 days. So you can stay with this visa in Germany for 90 days to the maximum. Within 180 days. It means within 6 months. For example, if the visa is issued for 6 months, you can stay in Germany only for 90 days within this 6 months duration. Second one, long-term visa. If you want to stay in Germany for more than 90 days, then you need to apply for long-term visa. What are the categories coming under this Schengen visa, or you can say short-term visa? First one, tourist visa, or you can say visitor visa. So if you want to visit your friends or relatives in Germany, then you can apply for this kind of visa. As I mentioned earlier, this kind of visa maximum duration stay is 90 days, and you can stay for these 90 days within the 6 months period, that is 180 days period. Again, this kind of short-term visa is divided into two categories. It is either single entry visa, or you can call it as double entry or multiple entry visa. So what is single entry visa and what is multiple entry visa? If it is single entry visa, you can stay in Germany continuously for 90 days. If it is double entry or multiple entry visa, then you can stay in Germany for 90 days, but that can be 2 or 3 times. You can go back to other country and come back to Germany again within this 90 days period. Second one, long-term visa. If you want to stay in Germany for more than 90 days, then you need to apply for long-term visa. There is also another option, frequent traveler. If you are frequent traveler to Germany, then if you apply this kind of visitor visa or tourist visa, you can also get the visa period either 1 year or 3 year or 5 years, but still the maximum duration of your stay in Germany, it is only 90 days. If you are frequent traveler, while applying for the visa, you might get a chance to get this visa validity for 1 year or 3 year or 5 years, but still you can stay in Germany to the maximum duration of 90 days. The next visa category is business visa. If you want to visit Germany for specific business purpose, in that case you can apply for this kind of business visa. The next one is job seeker visa. If you want to come to Germany and look for a job, then you can apply for job seeker visa. Studying or language learning visa. This kind of visa is specifically called a student visa. If you are going to continue your higher studies in Germany, For example, if you applied for a bachelor degree or master degree in Germany, and in that case, if you want to apply for visa, then you can select for this studying or language learning visa category. What is this language learning? So in Germany, there is importance to learn German language. So if in case to learn the German language specifically, you have applied in a specific college, and if you want to come here to Germany to learn this German language, in that case you can apply for language visa. The next category is working visa, or you can call as employment visa. If you got a job from your home country, now you want to travel from your home country to Germany. So in that case, with your employment contract, you can apply for the visa with the category employment visa or working visa. The next one is family reunion visa. What is this family reunion? So now you are married and you stay at Germany already, and you want to invite your family to come here to Germany. For example, I am a working woman in Germany and I want to invite my husband and children to Germany. So in this kind of category, for example, I want to invite my spouse and children, so I can go ahead and proceed for family reunion visa. We are going to unite our family in Germany. That is family reunion visa, or you can also call this visa as spouse visa. So this family reunion visa is mainly applicable for spouse and children. The next category is self-employment visa. In Germany, if you have approval to start some business and you are planning to visit Germany because of this self-employment business startup, then you can apply for this self-employment visa. The next category is trade fair and exhibition visa. If you want to attend one of the important trade fair or exhibition which is happening in Germany, and you got the invitation for this kind of trade fair, in that case you can apply for trade fair and exhibition visa. Medical treatment visa. If you want to undergo some medical emergencies in Germany, in that case, if you have all the proofs that you need to travel to Germany for this medical purpose, then you can apply for this medical treatment visa. Airport transit visa. What is this? If in case you want to travel to UK, but you have to come to one of the German airport, and from there you want to travel to UK. In that case, you need airport transit visa. Voluntary visa, or you can say au pair visa. If you want to provide some voluntary services in Germany and you have some specific approval from the German government in order to do this, then you can apply for this kind of visa. Research visa or guest scientist visa. If you are going to do some research in Germany and you have already got the approval from German government in order to do this kind of research, then you can apply for this kind of research visa. The The next category is internship visa or training visa. If you have some invitation from any of the German company in order to do some internship program or a training, then you can apply for internship or training visa. If you are coming to Germany in order to do an internship or to attend a training program, then you can apply for internship or training visa. Now you can plan your visit to Germany based on the visa categories which is mentioned, apply for the visa, and once you get your visa, welcome to Germany. You to find different visa categories in order to visit Germany. So welcome to Germany and start your German life here. Okay guys, we meet in next video with other useful information. Until then, bye from Vino.